Hey everybody, we are at a PUV terminal by Ayala, heading to Tuburan 360, another adventure. Come along and join us as we try and figure this out. And there goes Madonna. She's gonna ask somebody, I hope. We are looking for a V hire to take us to Tuburan, and once we get to Tuburan, we need to head up the mountain. Here we go. Well, I guess we're in the wrong spot, so we have to figure it out some more. We're in the wrong spot as usual. There's a little bit of Cebu traffic, and I'll tell you what, I can't handle the fumes. I had to wear a mask. It just really gets to my lungs. Used to that clean air in Colorado. Here we go, and check out this old World War II evening. Walking around in circles.
We finally found it. Hallelujah.
We are.
See ya.
Tuburan Cafe. These guys. There's Madonna. Wow.
That's one down over there.
Hi, Mom.
Sige sa mama, gisabi kami ma'am.
Nice, lindas do.
Siyempre akong heart doon, no?
Ah, doon na.
Here.
Oops, sorry.
Matawag ka sa team. Going to atong buwan. Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
Salamat.
Ayaw, may nyuhara gini. Ano no?
Ha?
Very cool.
You like the play?
Yeah, shipping containers, huh?
Sir, welcome to
Yeah.
your own room, sir. This is all also above. That's yours. It's all yours.
Wow.
Oh, sige, thank you dong. Yan lang na. Dong ha. Oh, sige.
Salamat.
Thank you. Look at here.
Wow.
Tugnaw pa dyan na school.
I don't know how to open it.
Missing handles. Wow. Holy moly.
Nice.
And where are the coffee?
Over there. That's our bamboo kingdom.
Oh,
And the coffee plantation is over there.
I see green lizard, bro. One is in plantation.
That's amazing.
Oh, my.
I thought you remember the last time you were here.
But none of this was here.
Yeah, this is 2 years. We built this after pandemic.
Right, because we
Yeah.
were here before the
2000, yeah,
pandemic.
It's not like this.
No, it was. We were here. There was nothing here. That was 2016.
Yeah.
So it was just an overlook.
Uh-huh. Just only a mountains, and then our mere plans to construct like this. So that's why. And that one is a Tabay Peak. Stone yun. Yeah, that is a Tabay Peak also.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Ang mayor tagi ay ni.
Ano nga mo?
Nice.
Let's go over there. Upstairs, upstairs.
Cute ang kuan, ilang kwarto.
Let me see.
You got the key?
Yeah.
Ako nag-landscape ni Don. This is my work, the landscape, the planning, the plants. Di ba pwede magkuhan din doon? Kung naibisita, dito mo.
So this is a must-come visit place, Tuburan 360. Check out this deck. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, kanay siya. That is our cabin. Over there. There's an attic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, then and the back place is Mercado room.
Yeah, I didn't realize they were so separate like that. And so are those rooms up there too?
And that one is our room for our mayor, the balcony side. All the rest is room. And then the VIP, the same time, conference room.
Wow, very well done.
Then our mayor plan over right here is campsite. One, and then a bike lane from here up to there, the bike lane. So that is a plan also.
Yeah, I saw the ATVs, so you can rent ATVs to cruise around.
To the like here, and then go to like that the old roads over there, and then to the river. You want to ride an ATV? No?
I don't know.
No, you can.
Maybe.
Okay, no. Ano, ganahan kay ko doon.
Top of the world. Top of the world.
Hi.
Kada ko trabaho na kan mag-decorate to Pasko. Sus, kada ko apel asa diri.
Oh, so po. Na makakitabang.
Nay dagan naman.
What's up to the beef? Okay.
Niyot ko mo doon, mana na ko kaon doon.
Nakakakaan? Ah.
Kaon ko.
How about you? I mean, are you
What?
hungry or
I don't know.
you gotta use the bathroom?
Kaya lagi rin hindi ko pag-invite nyo doon, no? Ari Jun. Kaya po hindi mo Ari Jun.
Nako, na lang nakaroon eh. So,
It's a cupcake.
Yatay gigasan. Nagtakilit lagi.
maabot na lang sa office. Hindi mo.
Ano nang gawin na?
Ako department na first. Okay.
Nawan ko ni mo ganyan na. Welcome to Tuburan Coffee Farm.
Tuburan Coffee Farm.
Hi, welcome to Tuburan Coffee Farm.
What's all this? Coffee
Okay,
plant?
let me explain. Come here. That is our seedlings already because we do not use the seed anymore. We use it like this. Come here. This one, Bo. This one is our mother plant. We cut this. We cut everything here is cut, and then we put here.
Wow. Tuburan coffee plants.
Like this.
Mana mo tubo?
Oh, so that one is already dead. That one. Yeah. So no more seed. We do not use the seed because it takes a year. And this one is only 4 months.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
Then that's
okay.
already the one. That is our nursery. So from our mother plant, we cut the stem and we put it here. And then we cover it, the UV.
And then the
And then-
plants grow
yes,
from the
and then
stems.
it's already leaves. And then we put that in our nursery. So because we plant the seed, it takes a year. So that is our technique. That's why we have only...
Got it? Got it.
Let's go to our processing. And I also do this. That one, the landscape.
Oh, they had cactus.
Yeah. Gamay pa kita dyan, yung dagan.
Yung sa Arizona, yung ano sa cactus ka na.
That is our mother plant. We do not, we make it sure that it's not no more cherries. It's only a mother plant.
Takta ka dyan na. Kumay mo sa ito. Iya, ini.
Get all that coffee.
Oh, maling.
Oh, this is our cherries. We dried it already.
Coffee beans.
Yeah, that's coffee beans. lang na kay Mawing ito na kay Chita yung Tuburan Coffee. Lagi nga. Ako kapalit man.
Ayo.
Ako sa
Oh, mare ni shake na mo coffee. Mare,
Fresh.
bakit na ba?
Very cool.
Yeah.
And then after this one.
Yeah, fresh.
So we start here first and then
This one.
right.
This is the first. And we put that in a machine to separate the leaves and the skin. So that's why.
And these are all hand-picked?
Yeah, huh? It's already handpicked. Fresh from the farm. This one is fresh. Andito ni Kwandong. Sa ato ni nga tukugon. Dani mo. Andito ni.
And that's how you drink earlier.
Ako lang kay. Kasi lang ko na nagdade sila. This is our dryer. Then this one is already dried. Coffee day. Lin.
Tuburan Coffee.
Pwede ka mo dari sir.
Tuburan Coffee is a homegrown product of the local farmers of the municipality of Tuburan. The largest municipality the first coffee plantation of the municipality
Let's
was established in 2012.
Cheers.
cheers.
Source out some 30,000 coffee samples.
You want sugar?
That's good. No, that's good.
Sugar do.
Good, yeah, sugar. I like it. It's not strong. It's not like Starbucks.
No, it's very good.
It's not like Starbucks.
More sustainable.
No chemicals at all. This is all organic.
And this
I can drink
is
like
brewed.
this. Like, you go to Starbucks.
Which only
This is pure.
to deforestation.
So I can bring you one. This one.
You want
So
sugar?
that is a
Bo?
student.
Coffee farming.
This one is your sweet. This is a good sugar.
Yeah, brown
Pure
sugar.
Tuburan Coffee.
Again, welcome the to Tuburan Coffee Farm. Salamat tayo for considering your visit there sa ato ang kapihan. No, by the way, this is Sir Alvin, our master roaster. This is Sir Alvin. Nasa si Sir Ritoy. So we have about there is a farm. Grabe sa videos.
Farm to coffee.
How was the trip?
Sabi mo ikaw gay mo 7 palit pan. Nagdali mo kalud kay.
So this is Sir Alvin. Siya ang expert nato
Lagi
for
ka.
the coffee processing. Ikan sa pag-accept sa atong coffee harvest down to nga mapat na siya into our finished product. Kung na ni atong finished product, I think some of you are familiar na tanong. Okay, kasi katong biya tayong Tuburan Coffee. Imagine na abot mo diri.
The beans.
So that separates
Yes.
the leaves from the beans.
Yes. And the skin of the beans. And then do not open this one because that is for fertilizer. Look at that. Manual, not machine. And that's our processing area over there.
Fascinating.
Mm.
Where workers, mostly children of Tuburan coffee workers, were trained to do the magic of continuous practice.
This is our organic fertilizer. We put all of the leaves, the food waste, and we put it here, and then we
Oh, for fertilizer.
Yes, we don't have any chemicals.
Oh, that makes so
Yes,
much
no.
sense.
All the dry leaves, all the roots, all the
Yeah, like a compost,
yes,
what we call
yeah,
it.
this is
Yeah.
this one. That's why we don't have to use chemicals. That is organic. We have to control all over that.
Before that, those who like to try the freshest, no, bago lang seguro, na tagiri coffee, na sugar, pwede sa kulay sugar. And then, I can also take pictures of you behind.
Ini siya ang seedlings mo.
So, now we have Cebu in charge for, ano ito sir? So, mag-start para, ano ito Cebu, this is Cebu, siya in charge ato, Cebu. Propagate, pakita naman to, no? Ano mo lang ang tanong seed? How many years? Hindi siya necessary na probably o sa niya mo. In a certain level of moisture, pwede na siya habits.
Gumot ang gumot yung buwak no.
Manghumot siya doon kung mamuha ka tong pag first ang buwak.
Ay.
Look at this.
It smells good, flowers. Murag smells of good sa
Oh, sa damang dinuchi sa pagita.
Mmm.
Oo, dahil na bunga oh. I-harvest ka ng mamamuha nila siya.
Kuha na, kan. Look at here. This one is very
Tilapia. Orange tilapia. And the expert.
Say hello to the video.
ano, bukod mo yun naman ron.
Ay man.
Ito po kayo.
Buat langgam.
Ano kayo, balabi dong?
Bos, iyo kamay lang ka.
All farm to table in the restaurant.
Kaya pa siguro ng taon.
Ulat mo ron, ulat patron man.
Be afraid because there's a lot of people.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, they're gonna catch me. All right, well, hey, if you come to Cebu, you got to come to Tuburan and check out Tuburan 360 Coffee Plantation and much more. Reasonable prices. They've got coffee from the plantation to the cup. They got farm to the table, and reasonable priced rooms. Check it out. You can see you got a little deck with an amazing view, plus you have a rooftop deck. Imagine having your morning coffee, and the rooms do include breakfast. But check it out, is that amazing? I think they call it Tuburan 360 for a reason. You can see all the way over to Negros, you can see over to Bohol, and it is just fantastic. Love the deck, love the rooftop, and love the room. Quaint, cozy. Give you a shot at the bathroom. And again, you can't beat it. Everything is organic. And like I said, they have a whole farm here. They grow their vegetables. They even have orange tilapia that they farm, chickens, and so much more. There's even Bamboo Kingdom. You can rent ATVs here and cruise around. So check it out.